Hello and welcome to this tutorial on how to fit double cap rivets with our green machine. So we'll start off with punching our holes into our material. So here I have some faux leather and we're going to punch a hole into each corner. In the machine I have a 3mm hole punching die with a gold base, but a plastic base will work perfectly fine as well. So we'll punch a couple of holes like this, give the material a little bit of a twist, and we'll change this over for our double cap rivet die. Now our double cap rivet die comes in two parts. We have the base die here, which is just going to hold the part with your stem that goes into the bottom, and then we have our top die here. This is what compresses down the cap. Screw that into the top. Here I have a 5mm double cap rivet. Of course you can get this in smaller and larger sizes. I'm going to push that through the hole here, bend my material over, push it through both ends, so you should be able to see that stem poking out the back. We can take our cap of our rivets, which looks something like this, and we're just going to push that onto the end of that stem so it just sits on top. Then we can place this in between our dies. So we should feel that sit firmly into our base die. If I give it a wiggle, it's not going to come out that easily unless I jolt the whole thing. I want to hold my material in place, and then we just compress down nice and firm and back up, and there we have a double cap rivet all secured in place.